So this is a special moment in Kylo's life. He's realizing that there are cows. Kylo, what do you think of cows? I know, right? He's like, what the hell was that? He's like, that's the biggest dog I have ever seen.
Look at him go. He's like prancing through the grass.
Tiptoeing through the tulips.
Get it, Kylo.
Kylo's learning to be a country dog. Obi has sequestered himself in the car because someone lit off a firecracker and he said
He was
no.
like, I'm done. I'm done.
Kylo was nervous about it, but he's still exploring. He's
having a good time.
Yeah, he is.
He's living his best life today.
Kylo in a field.
He belongs.
Kylo, run! Bound through the field, Kylo! Bound! Do a music video.
Out at sea. He's a nature dog.
Mother Nature's dog.